All right, thank you so much. Most people wait until April to start working on their taxes, but procrastinating that long can cost you some extra money. Local financial professional Gregory Ricks joins us with 5 reasons you should file your taxes early. Thank you for being here.
Oh, good morning, Whitney.
Good morning. Okay, so I know a lot of people wait to file their taxes, but a lot of people are excited to get their W-2s because some people might need a little extra cash if they get a refund.
Yeah, you know, early bird gets the worm
Ew.
is the saying that I like.
Yes.
And one reason to file early is get your tax refund faster. Recommended to do it electronically, and direct deposit will speed it up, because you know what most people are going to do? They're going to procrastinate. Then you're getting in with the crowd. I wouldn't do paper filing, and I wouldn't want them to mail me the check. You know, mailing's a bit more difficult in this world, and I don't want it to get lost. So that's why I recommend electronic. And if your adjusted gross income's under $73,000, they've got 7 firms that are helping to go to irs.gov and do free file.
Oh, well, that's good for folks.
That saves you money right there and gets you in early.
So, okay, so filing early. So now, what if you owe a lot of money? Is it still beneficial to file early, or should you wait?
Okay, well, one of the benefits of filing early is maybe to get you more time regarding filing that return. You should have all your money paid in, but if you're going to owe some, get the tax return in. You don't have to send the money with the tax return. They're going to send you a notice in 30 days, and then they're going to send you a notice again. So you kind of have to deal with it. If you're not sure how much you're going to owe, you might as well get that information taken care of so you can start making arrangements, and the IRS does have payment plans. Right. One other reason to file early is to protect yourself against identity theft.
That was my next question for you. How do I protect myself? Because I feel like people are hacking stuff all day, every day.
Well, it is a problem, and the IRS only accepts 1 tax return per Social Security number. Ooh. So if you get yours in first, the one trying to steal your identity is not going to get your tax refund. You are. If they get it in first, you've got big problems there.
That's reason enough to get your W-2s out now and log in on Monday and start filing those taxes.
Yeah, exactly. It's really important to kind of go ahead and get that taken care of. If you're going to file for an extension, I would go ahead and do that now instead of waiting to the last moment. Once again, you can do that electronically, but it's important to go ahead and start pulling everything together. You know, one of the things might be, well, what if I wait? What can happen? Well, getting tax help may be more expensive. The other thing is you're in a rush waiting to the last moment. Like if you did a backdoor Roth or Roth conversions or other changes, earned income credit, child care credits, these other forms that's needed and information, you might be in a rush, make errors and cost yourself some money, or have to file an additional tax return to make corrections. That's going to cost you additional money.
And we don't want to cost anybody any additional money. So thank you so much for those tips coming up. And you saw some of that information on your screen there. If you want to learn more about the tax information or how to file, well, it starts on Monday. You can start filing your taxes on Monday.
Yeah, the 23rd, we can start filing tax returns.
Get the W-2s together and start filing them now.